calculate the duration of a discount bond. And in this video, I'm going to show you that this is really the only information that you need. But consider a discount bond that has face value of $100, number of years to maturity of 5, and yield to maturity of 5%. That gives us a present value equal to $78.35. Now, our discount bond investors receive nothing in all the years leading up to maturity. And then in the final year, the investor will receive the face value. So if we calculate the present value of each payment received, again, nothing up until the final year when the investor receives the last payment. Now, if we think about the share of each year in the total present value, we have nothing until the final year when we have 100%. So if we calculate the weighted average of years here, we are going to find that we get a value of 5 because the investor receives 100% of the investment value in the year the investment matures. So face value doesn't matter, yield to maturity doesn't matter. The only information that matters for the duration of a discount bond is number of years to maturity.